In Meru County, a powerful shift toward clean cooking is underway. At Athanwa Vocational Training Center, we are delivering hands-on biogas training, equipping artisans, institutions, and communities with practical skills to adopt clean, sustainable energy solutions. The training begins with understanding how biogas works, how organic waste is converted into clean, usable energy. Participants explore system design, materials, and the conditions needed for efficient gas production. From there, the learning moves to the field. Participants take part in site selection, ground preparation, and step-by-step installation of the Flexi Biogas XL system. Every stage is hands-on. Every participant is involved. They install piping, set up the greenhouse and shade net cover that protects the digester, and assemble the biogas system. The system is then connected to the kitchen, and soon, it begins delivering clean, reliable energy for cooking. Organic waste is prepared and fed into the system. This is what drives biogas production. The training also covers operation, maintenance, and safety, ensuring the systems are used effectively and sustainably. What starts as curiosity quickly turns into confidence. Participants leave with real, practical skills they can apply in their communities. This is how we accelerate clean cooking in Kenya. This project is funded by UK PACT through the Ministry of Energy and Petroleum, and is implemented by SNV, the Clean Cooking Association of Kenya, and Gamos East Africa. The trainings are conducted by CCAK, with support from Flexi Biogas. Talk to us today.